Alright, go ahead.
Are you ready?
Yep. Okay, that flickered that time. Good, good, good. Alright, can you just turn it off? All the way off? Alright. Okay, take the key out a little bit from the ignition, but not all the way out.
Huh?
Take the key out from, like, try to take the key out of the ignition. Yeah, okay, see, it went up to 12 volts in that, so, but, okay. Okay, alright, stick it back. Huh? No, hey, just, can you just, I just wanted to try one more time while I'm taking. Yeah, just one more time, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't have to close the door, you can just, okay. Good, good, good. Just one more time. One more time. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much, man. Alright, thank you. You don't have to close the door, just leave it open. Just thank you so much.